live from Honduras, 2009, day numero 5. So today we have our second day of rain. We're sitting here with a lot more people, so we're gonna get a little bit more input on what's going on. I hope everybody's ready. Okay, first up we have Miss Colleen.
Hola! Today we had the most amazing day. We got to work in the clinic, and we're gonna get to see piñata, a homemade piñata. I can't wait.
Woo! Mucho bueno! Mr. Lane, he just got off the computer. What's in your mind, Mr. Lane?
Mucha lluvia.
Too much rain.
Es gringo.
Es justo.
Muy bueno.
Happy birthday, Colin!
Ooh, it is Colin's birthday.
And for his birthday, Colin got diarrhea.
Mucho diarrhea. Yes, bro. And here's the scene we're looking at right now, guys. Mucho lluvia. Mucho lluvia. Day number 5 video, and we will talk tomorrow. Hasta mañana.